Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, everyone. It's Abdul Azim, and let's talk about today's two top stories of the day. First one is from Delhi. The Delhi government has decided to keep all the schools in Delhi to be closed till October 31st. Delhi's Deputy Chief Minister and Education Minister Manish Sisodia has made the announcement on Sunday. Manish Sisodia had tweeted that all the schools in Delhi will be closed till October 31st. Delhi's Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said that as a guardian, he understood the gravity of the situation and it would not be appropriate to take any risks with the health of the children at this time. Second matter is from the Hathras. Due to the intense pressure, Yogi orders CBI probe. From the very beginning of the case, there was lot of evidence of negligence on the part of the UP government, on the part of the UP police and district administration, which was revealed by the media and opposition leaders, including Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi, and then staged a strong protest. The CBI will now probe the Hathras gang rape and murder case that rocked the country. The Yogi Adityanath government, or should I say instead, the criminal government of the UP has recommended that the matter be investigated by the Central Bureau of Investigation, CBI. The preliminary report of the SIT investigation has reached the state government, and further investigation is underway. For the past 2 days, the state government had banned media and leaders from visiting the victim's family in the village, citing the SIT team's investigation. Even the victim's family alleges that their phones were snatched out and they were not allowed to go out from their homes. Additional Chief Home Secretary Avinash Hosty and UP DGP had reached there yesterday to meet the victim's family on the behalf of the UP government after a general uproar on the issue. Later in the evening, Avinash Hosty told in a press conference in Lucknow that the SIT investigation was underway. Justice will be done with the victim's family. But a tweet from the UP CM office official Twitter account on Saturday night said that CBI inquiry had been ordered. Earlier on Friday, Chief Criminal Minister Yogi Adityanath had tweeted on the issue that those who even care about the sanctity and the self-respect of the mothers and sisters in UP are doomed. They will receive a punishment that will set an example in the future. Your UP government is committed to the protection and the development of mothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters, is this called a development of mothers and sisters? So maybe this is a so-called statement by the UP government. That's it for today. If you want me to speak on more topics, let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe it, share it, and like it as much as you can. Jazakallah khair. I'll be seeing you in the next video.